Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, Aquarius. Okay, so love reading ngayong September. Tingnan natin ano bang magiging outcome ng mga sitwasyon. Okay, ng sitwasyon ninyo. Okay, in general. So, syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. Okay, Aqua. So, and sa mga cross-watchers. Yes, pero yeah, I don't, recommend talaga na mag-cross-watch. Yes, I don't know. Yeah. Anyway. So, yeah, if you're interested, pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin pagdating sa ating mga evil eye item, sa ating love bracelet, sa ating granter necklace, and doon sa ating new item for cleansing. Okay? So, Aqua, the person on your mind, okay? So, ano bang meron pagdating dyan sa taong yan? Let's see. Okay, the Ten of Wands. What's this? The Five of Cups. I think may regret sa part nila. Okay, may regret sa part nila. Yeah. Acting immature noon. May panghihinayang ako nakukuha dito. Okay, some of you specific, itong taong to, dapat kasi gumawa ito ng action towards you or effort. Pero I think hindi nila ginawa yun. Okay? What else? Hindi nila ginawa eh. Alam nilang dapat gumawa sila ng action towards you. Pero inaksaya nila yung pagkakataon maybe, or yung oras. Yeah, the Page of Cups. Okay, some of them, they're younger, or sabihin natin may pagka-immature lang talaga, kaya hindi nila yun ginawa, or something like, yeah, emotionally immature. Okay, yeah, another page. Okay. Alam nyo ngayon, nakakaramdam to ng, yun nga, panghihinayang, regrets. Yeah. Sa ngayon, parang ngayon na lang nila parang gustong bigyang halaga itong sitwasyon na meron kayo. Okay? Ngayon, gusto nilang makipag-ayos. Okay? Page of Cup is someone na gustong mag-say sorry. Okay? Yeah, they know na meron silang nagawang mali. Kung hindi sila nag-reach out, hindi sila nagso-sorry sa'yo, nagiging burden. Okay, the emotions, yeah. Gusto nitong makipag-ayos, gusto nitong may sabihin sa'yo, pero I don't know kung kaya nilang rumekta, no? Or kausapin ka. Let's see, ano bang situation meron kayo nito? Aqua, anong situation meron kayo? Okay, the Hanged Man. Someone is waiting. Someone is like doing nothing. Okay? What's with that Hanged Man? Yeah, the Knight of Cups. Ooh! Again, the Page of Wands in the reverse ngayon. Situation, there's this someone or pwedeng ikaw ang naghihintay ng action. Okay? The Knight of Cups. May paghihintay, may pag-iisip. Gagawin ba niya yung dapat niyang gawin? Okay, if this person is someone new, bago, okay, this person likes you. they have a crush on you. Yeah. Okay, if this is someone new. And I think sabihin nating kung hindi ito nakakapag-express ng emosyon nila, nagiging burden yun. Gusto nila actually na gumawa ng action towards you if ever. And yeah, they're just waiting the right timing maybe para gumawa ng action. Okay, or someone is just like waiting dahil some of you pwedeng nakikita nila na you're entertaining other people. Okay, so that is why, ay, hindi na muna. Parang ganon. Okay, that's specific. Okay, hindi yun para sa lahat. Pero may nakukuha kong ganon. Okay, so let's see. Anong meron pagdating sa emosyon niya. Yeah, the 5 of Swords. Gulong-gulo. Why the 5 of Swords? Yeah, the 8 of Pentacles. Hindi siya makagawa ng aksyon. They're confused. Okay? Dahil hindi nila nagagawa yung gusto nilang gawin. Okay? Yeah, the 3 of Cups. They want this. Sa inyo. Okay? They want this. The 3 of Cups. This is being together. Okay? Kung hindi kayo magkakilala nito, gusto nito maging magkaibigan kayo or magkaroon kayo ng connection. Kahit casual. Yeah, they like that. Pero wala akong nakukuhang action. Okay, there's conflicts. The 5 of Swords, that is why may chance na kaya hindi sila gumagawa ng action is like there's a blockage. Okay? Gusto ka nito, Aqua. Gusto ka niya. Marami rin siyang what ifs. Okay? Marami siyang what ifs. Yeah, the 5 of Pentacles in reverse. Gusto nito na lagi kang malapit sa kanya. Like, nakikita ka niya. Like that. Some of them, may chance na nagbibigay ito ng mixed signals sa'yo. Okay? Kasi hindi nila kaya na gumawa ng like straightforward na action or messages like that. There's hints, okay, na nanggagaling sa taong to. Okay? So, anyway. What is their next action? Their next action towards you, Aqua. The King of Pentacles. Being responsible. Stepping up. Okay, the King of Pentacles. Yeah, wow. This is commitment. Mag-step up to. Sa maniwalat ka sa hindi. Mag-step up sila. Okay? Yeah, the 7 of Wands in reverse. Tatanggalin nila yung blockage if ever. Or hindi nila papansinin yung blockage. Kung meron man, gagawin nila. Like, okay, kailangan ko aksyonan to. Kesa naman manghinayang ako. Or what? Kasi naman mag-regret ako in the end. Okay? Yeah, the Magician in reverse. It's like, sabihin natin hindi nila parang hindi sila makikipag-cooperate sa kung anong meron sa ngayon. Okay? Kung anong pinapakita sa kanila or sa kanya ni universe, hindi niya yun susundin. Magta-take risk tong taong to. They want you. They want to commit. They want commitments with you, Aqua. Okay, they want commitment. Some of you pwedeng Capricorn to. Okay? Yeah, ito pa lang yung nakakuha ko. Na Zodiac, Virgo. Okay, Scorpio. Yeah. Being open, stepping up. Gagawin yung mga kailangan gawin if ever. Okay? So, anong outcome nyo? Aqua. Anong outcome nyo? They see you as someone who is marami silang iniisip towards you. Sa totoo lang. So, pwedeng yun yung isang dahilan kung bakit nagkaka-hindrance to or blockage, no? Pagdating sa pag-action sa'yo. Whether past man or new person, okay, may mga iniisip tong taong to pagdating sa'yo. Okay? Marami silang what ifs. Let's see anong outcome nyo. Outcome ninyo, Aqua, ngayong September, bago matapos ang September. Six of Cups, a connection. Connection. If this is a past person, there will be reaching out na pwedeng mangyari. Okay, the Six of Cups. Pagkikita if ever. Okay, wait, yeah, Six of Cups. Yeah, the Page of Pentacles. This is communication. Yeah, communication. Open the line of communication. Kung sa tingin ninyo, kaya nyo. Okay. Yeah, pero I'm getting the energy of a new person here. Yeah. Dito. Okay. Yeah. The Five of Wands. Kasi kung hindi sila gagawa ng aksyon, sila rin yung makakaranas ng burden or kung ano man. It's like a peace of mind ang mangyayari pagdating sa kanila kung gagawa sila ng action towards you. Okay? Yeah. Parang kahit anong mangyari, okay, sige, gagawin ko to. Wala naman akong malalaman kung hindi ko gagawin. Hindi ko makikita yung resulta kung hindi ko gagawin, like that. Okay? So, yeah. This is someone younger. Or maybe kaedad mo. Okay? Taking risk. It's like wala nang plano-plano, gagawan lang ako dito ng kahit ano na pwedeng possible na action para magkakaroon ng connection with you. Okay? Like starting as friends. Yeah. Okay? So, let's see. Aqua. All signs. Okay. The zodiac you're dealing with. Okay. Aries through Pisces. Let's see. Okay. Aries. Okay. So, this is like a rush. Rush. Oo. Action. Like pagmamadali. Pwedeng ganun They're thinking of you. They want to take action. Like, they want to talk. Taurus. Okay. Some of you, pwedeng ikinukwento ka nito sa family nila or sa family niya. Okay? They want you secretly. Okay? Gemini. They want your attention. They're like physically attracted. Pagdating sa'yo, they want to you. Okay? They want. Anyway. Cancer. Okay, they're juggling. And maybe some of them, there's jealousy here. Okay. Some of you, there's this manipulation na pwedeng ginagawa ng Cancerian na to. Like, maybe they will show na they're dropping you. Okay. That's because of their emotions. Like, the jealousy. Okay, yun Okay, so Leo. Okay, so they're not healing, they're not over. Okay, still feeling the unfinished business. Virgo, their option is open. They're stalking you. Some of you, they will give you hints. They will send you hints, no? Okay? Libra, this person likes you. They want to communicate. Yeah, some of you, there's this energy, age gap. Okay? Scorpio, they're feeling the strong connection, wanting na magkaroon ng another chance if ever this is a past person. Okay? Sagittarius. Okay, so some of you, pwedeng may nakatago ditong third party involved. Okay? Some of them, they're silent. Not cooperating with you. Okay? Feeling stuck, some of them. Too many drama. Too many conflicts. Capricorn, okay, they want to be real. They want to be transparent. Some of you, pwedeng makakuha ka ng message from this Capricorn telling you na gusto niya magkaroon ng transparency. Transparency sa inyong dalawa. Being genuine. Okay? Yeah. They want to, parang i-take na yung situation ninyo or connection ninyo into the next level. Okay? Aquarius. So, meron ditong parang situation na parang napoprolong na lang. Like, kailangan na lang itong i-drop dahil wala namang nangyayari. Yeah. Pisces. They want a new beginning with you. Okay? They want a new beginning. Some of you, pwedeng Pisces ang maging new person mo, if ever. Okay, so there, yun ang ating reading for you, Aquarius placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye!